that segment you saw was shortened down from 20 minutes, and that doesn't count gathering all the tools and materials or putting them away. This is my go at making a little miniature repair kit to take along with me on trips. It has 2 pins, a needle, and thread, of course, to do any sewing, and a little bit of duct tape for, well, duct tape repairs, and then a little snap which will allow me to do reclosures. Like if I lose a button, I'll probably be able to find it again, and it can be in different sizes, or this can take that role. But I think more importantly would be like if a zipper broke and I want to keep that pocket at least somewhat closed. This is kind of one-time use given that the hot glue on the backside is holding the threads that keep that in, but my intention is to kind of never use this. It's just for like really kind of if I really need it on a trip. I've done a lot of trips without bringing sewing supplies on with me, and I've never needed it. And well, it's a lot smaller than what this kind of is my previous travel sewing kit, which was a great size to bring to college and allowed me different threads if I wanted to make something stand out or blend in. But this is just the very emergency sewing kit, and it does need other scissors that I would have to bring with me to do the cutting of the thread.